Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problems in exercise 9.1. The problem number 1 is a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So here the thing is we are having a pole, right? It is a vertical pole, right? So just draw a pole like this. So a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, right, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the pole to the ground. So this is your top of the pole and this is your ground, right? And there is a rope, right, whose length is 20 meter, right? Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. So we need to find the height of the pole, right? We need to find the height of the pole provided the angle made by the rope. Okay, this is your rope. So the angle made by the rope with the ground. So this is your ground, right? So what is the angle made by this rope? Here it is 30 degrees, right? So you see this is your diagram for the given problem, right? We need to find the length of the pole. So you see, okay, this is your diagram, right? So we need to find this point. So here, but what are all the things we know? Here we know the value of hypotenuse, right? And here is our angle. So now we are considering sine 30 degrees, right? So sine 30 is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So here the opposite side is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. So sine 30 is given by 1 by 2. So which is equal to AB by, again the value of AC is 20, right? This is your AC here. So just substitute the values and just do a cross multiplication, right? So 1 into 20 is 20, which is equal to 2 into AB. Therefore the value of AB is 20 by 2, which is equal to 10 meter. Therefore here the height of the pole is 10 meter, right? The second problem is a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with it. So here you see there is a tree, right? There is a tree and a part of the tree is broken. Okay, this broken part lies on the ground and it makes an angle of 30 degrees. Therefore here it makes an angle of 30 degrees, right? The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. So this is your foot of the tree. Okay, this is a tree. Distance between this point and the point where the top touches the ground. Okay, the top of the tree touches the ground is, this is 8 meter, right? So here find the height of the tree. So how will you find the height of the tree here? What are all the things you have to do? You have to calculate this value, right? And you have to calculate this value because this is the broken part of the tree. Okay, this broken part of the tree lies down here. So you have to calculate the value of this side and this side. Then you have to add. Once you add, then you can easily find the height of the tree, right? So again the same diagram I have drawn here, right? So from this diagram, what is the height of the tree? BD is the height of the tree, right? Because this broken part lies here. So BD is nothing but AD plus AB. So we need to find AB as well as AD. So this AD is nothing but this is equal to AC, right? Because this broken part fell down here. So even you can write this, you see AD is equal to AC, right? So first we are considering the triangle. Okay, we are having only one triangle, right? Okay, consider the triangle ABC, right? So in ABC, we need to find this AB, right? But here we know only the value of adjacent side. So here we are proceeding with tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 is equal to AB by BC, right? So just substitute the values. And once you cross multiply, you see the value of AB is 8 by root 3 meter, right? Now, the thing is, we need to find the value of AC, right? Now we have calculated AB, but we need to find the value of AC also, right? Then only we can find the total height of the tree. So to find the value of AC, you see again here we are considering cos 30 degree. So cos 30 is nothing but, even you can take sin 30 also. Anyway, we have calculated the value of AB, right? It's up to you. So here we are taking cos 30. So cos 30 is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Right. So just substitute it. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and the value of BC is 8. Okay, it is given in the problem. You see. Now here when you cross multiply, so root 3 into AC is equal to 2 into 8. Therefore the value of AC is 16 by root 3. Right. So we have calculated the value of AB as well as AC. Right. So as I said, you see the value of AC is equal to AD. Why? Because this broken part lies down here. So this is equal to this, right? So now we are finding the height of the tree, right? The height of the tree is, here it is BD. So here it is AD plus AB is equal to BD. So what is the value of, again AD is equal to AC, right? What is the value of AC? Just substitute it. So here it is, AC is 16 by root 3 and AB is 8 by root 3. Since the denominators are same, we can add them directly. So 16 plus 8 is 24 by root 3, right? So here the thing is, the 24 can be written as 8 into 3, right? So 8 into 3 divided by this root 3, and the 3 is nothing but it is root 3 into root 3, right? So in this case 1 root 3 get cancelled with the denominator root 3. Therefore here we are having a root 3. So the final answer of BD is 8 root 3. Therefore the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters, right? So problem number 3 is, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park, right? So now we are going to draw 2 slides, right? For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. So, okay, a contractor plans to install a slide. So this is how a slide is, right? This is how a slide is. So what is the angle? You see, it makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. So here the angle is 30 degrees. And whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters, right? So this is your top portion of the slide, and this is 1.5 meter from the ground. Okay, this is your ground. So this is your ground and it is 1.5 meters here. Right. Now, whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. So here how is your slide? You see, there is a slide, right? The same thing here. But what about the height? Since it is for elder children, the height here is 3 meter and the inclination angle is 60 degrees, right? What should be the length of the slide in each case? Now we are expected to find the value of the slide. Okay, this is your slide and here in this part, this is your slide. Right, it's very simple. So just draw the diagram here. You see, this is for age less than 5 years and this is for elder children. Right, so here we need AC. So how to find AC? AC is your hypotenuse. Right, so sin 30 degree, we can take sin 30 because we know the value of opposite side. So sin 30 is equal to AB by AC, right? So the value of sin 30 is equal to AB by AC. So sin 30 is 1 by 2 and the value of AB is 1.5 divided by AC. So once you cross multiply, the value of AC is 1.5 into 2, which is equal to 3 meters. Therefore, the length of the slide is 3 meter. Right. So the next thing is for elder children. Okay. Again, this is your slide. Okay. PR is your slide and the top portion of the slide is 3 meter from the ground and the angle is 60 degree. Again, we need to find PR. Therefore, here we are considering sin 60 degree, which is equal to PQ by PR. So just substitute the values and here when you do cross multiplication, root 3 PR is equal to 2 into 3. So the value of PR is 2 into 3 by root 3, right? So here 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So here this root 3 and this root 3 cancels each other, and here the value of PR is 2 root 3 meters, right? It is 2 root 3. So for the first case, the length of the slide is 3 meter, and for the second case, the length of the slide is 2 root 3 meters, right? So here comes the end of this video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.